Hi, I'm Lakshmi, a former investment banker at Perella Weinberg Partners, now an engagement director at ModelML. Today we're launching ModelML's Operator, the only agent that creates and edits Excel files the way junior bankers actually work today. I'm excited to show you just a few of the use cases we've unlocked for banking teams at some of the world's largest financial institutions. A lot of the banking work is not just financial analysis, but process management. So here, for example, I can prompt ModelML to produce a buyer log using an existing Excel or list of data. Here you can see a buyer log for potential sponsors in an infrastructure transaction. The idea is that ModelML becomes the workspace where your deals run, not just a financial modeling tool. Let's try another example. Here in the chat feature, I can simply type, create a DCF for Walmart. ModelML automatically builds the model structure, populates the control tab, and sources inputs. As you can see in the sheets, and the same Excel construction that you would expect in a deal team. These conventions are encoded into the system, and so the outputs follow typical standards, naming conventions, and formats. And if you want to make any changes, just ask. Here in the chat, I can iterate to add in another year of projections and change the underlying method to Gordon growth. Here, instead of rebuilding the spreadsheet entirely, I can just iterate with ModelML. This creates a completely new way of interacting with Excel that's far more dynamic and like a teammate, creating analysis in minutes. Finally, we'll look at a more traditional modeling use case, analysis at various prices. Within the chat, again, I can fire off to request for an AVP for Pfizer with share price premiums between 20 and 50%. As we retrieve the result, you can see the operator has sourced key inputs like share price, enterprise value, and the VWAP data across different time periods. We can again trace these back to see exactly where they came from. As fully native Excel features, we can just tab through and interact with the generated analysis. Those were just a few examples of what Operator can do. I'm really excited to see this live in deal teams, to think about real-life information flowing faster through into structured analysis with ModelML. Try it out.